friends, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so happy for you guys. You're doing a great job, I bet, and I can't wait to show you MOA diamonds for our quilt along called Tahoe. Today, we're going to be working on a diamond number 3, and it's very similar to yesterday's diamond. I know you're getting so excited about those diamonds. Today diamonds, all that you need to do is create two strip panels, but both of them are the same. They have a blue and a light, and we're going to be cutting units from those. You are a pro at doing that already. You know how to measure 2.5 and cut it. So I'm going to move on to the next step and give you a little help with the assembly. This diamond is made from this unit. Then we have 2 other strip sets and 2 small diamonds. I already took my 2 small diamonds. I placed them right sides together, stitched right here, and then flipped it open and opened the seam. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 units, this one and this one. Starting with this one, I'm going to place my little 2 diamonds right over. I'm going to use pins to secure them in place at the beginning and in the end. I'm not going all the way to the edges, so that way when I start, I don't have to fight the pin. I can start and stitch and pull my pins as I go. As soon as I do that, look what happened. This is already stitched. Now I'm gonna go ahead, open the back very gently using my little pressing tool. Why am I not using my iron right now? Because I worry about stretching those beautiful edges. So all that I'm doing is using just a little bit cold press with my little handy dandy tool. Now this unit, all that I have to do, position both of those together, one on the top of the other, offset just tiny bit, so I create a 1/4 inch entrance right there. Put pins in the beginning and in the end right there, and now stitch. And look at, I got those guys stitched together for you. Look, all that I have to do is open the seam in the back, gently open, and yes, I'm gonna reach out and get my tool and do a little bit hand pressing. You also can finger press if you wanna. Any little cold pressing is gonna work just fine. So as soon as you have this done, I'm gonna rotate this. I'm constantly, look at how I have this right here, and I quickly rotate because I'm paying attention. My pattern is laying right next to me. That is the most common mistake, that we get all excited and we rotate something. So keep checking. When you're making your block, lay everything out. When you're piecing your units together, sew it, check, did you do a good job? And then keep going by placing the pieces right sides together, pinning really nice at the beginning and in the end, so that way everything is matched really nice. And all that you have to do is stitch, flip it open, open the seam in the back, and you have a beautiful diamond number 3. And guess what? All that you have to do, make 7 MOA of those, and you are ready, set, go with today's project, 7 diamonds for our gorgeous quilt along. For anyone that is just joining us in, please visit our blog for all the informations about this cute, fun event, and visit our website for kits, patterns, and any notions that you need. Happy quilting, and I look forward to tomorrow for diamond number 4.